Chiki Art! Have you ever wanted to learn how to draw a star? Well, just watch this video and copy what we do. We start with a sort of triangle and then one going out to each side. Now we're going to do two more at a sort of diagonal angle. We're not doing very pointy tips, we're keeping ours a little bit curvy, but of course it's entirely up to you. Now we can do a face in the middle, why not? So two eyes, that's easy, just draw two circles. And little circles within those circles to make the pupil and a little shine. Colouring in the pupils black. Now we can do a little mouth. Let's thicken up our black border. Wow, that's one happy looking star. Excellent. Now we're colouring it in yellow, taking care to stay in between the black lines. Carefully going around those facial features. I don't know about you, but I like to do the edges first sometimes, because that's the hard bit, to stay in between the lines, and then it's easy to just colour in the middle part. So do the tricky bits first, there's a little tip for you. That's it. You see, we're using a very thin tipped pen because then we're less likely to be colouring bits that we shouldn't be colouring. There you go. Side to side, diagonal, big strokes, because you get to fill more space in less time then. You can do your star any colour you like. We're keeping it simple and doing it yellow, but if you want, you could do it gold if you have a gold pen. That would be cool, wouldn't it? You could even put some glitter on it, make it sparkly. There you go! Fantastic! Let's give it a little bit of a glow. So we're carefully going around the outside of the border this time, not the inside, the outside, with a paler yellow pen. This makes the star look like it's glowing bright. You see the trick it plays on your eyes? Wow, that is fantastic. Here's a quick star fact I bet you didn't know. Stars are actually round! That's right, they're circled. They just look like star shapes to us because of their glow. Keep going, you're almost there. Doing a great job. Just the last part now. There we go. And we're done! Well done! You have a star.